I am Fred George. Welcome aboard Falcon 2000S. Today, Franco Anesi and
Hello.
Peter Sarston and I are going to take you flying around the Vancouver area.
2000S is a large cabin Falcon jet that Dassault created to compete in the super midsize market. It's about $2 million more than a typical SMS, but it has a 10 to 20% larger cabin, seating for 10, and 3,350 nautical miles of range. It's also the first Falcon 2000 to have full span slats, giving it the best runway performance of any SMS. Up front, there's Dassault's signature EZ2 cockpit with 4 large displays. A head-up display and enhanced vision system are options.
2 Foxtrot Juliet, caution jet blast at threshold lineup weight, runway 0 right, short wait for turbulence separation.
Roger, line up and wait, 08 right, 702 Foxtrot Juliet.
Our takeoff weight is 34,000 pounds. We'll use slats plus flaps 20 for the best runway performance. V1 decision speed is 107, we'll rotate at 112, and the V2 takeoff safety speed is 116. Takeoff field length is 3437.
2 Fox Juliet, 5 at trail, departed 330, caution turbulence, clear for takeoff, runway 0 right.
Clear for takeoff, 08 right, Falcon 702 Foxtrot Juliet.
You ready?
Hotel
Okay, here we go. And here we go. Clock is started.
Wait for 08 for Hotel Juliet.
Engine power is set. 0.38 acceleration. Airspeed's alive. 80 knot cross check. You have the yoke. V1 and rotate. That was 16 seconds. Positive rate.
Here. And we're looking good.
Light control forces. Typical Falcon. Feels like a light jet in my fingertips. And oh, that machine gun rat-a-tat, that's the audible alert for pitch trim in motion.
Departure Falcon 702 Foxtrot Juliet's with you, 3700 for 7,000.
702 Fox Juliet, Vancouver departure. Good morning. Your rate identify, climb 16,000.
Climb 16,000, 702 Foxtrot Juliet.
16,000 set.
Yes. 2 Fox Juliet, right heading 220.
Right handing 220, 702 Foxtrot Juliet.
Forget the autopilot. It's just too much fun to hand fly. We'll fly out northwest of Vancouver at 300 knots and 16,000 feet. I really like the optional head-up guidance system because it keeps me looking outside the aircraft. Now we're in clear air for maneuvers. Using the HUD, we'll roll into a 45-degree left turn.
If you keep the bullseye right on the horizon, you'll maintain perfect steep turns.
And now on to the right.
That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Westbound type unknown, unverified at 400. I'll terminate.
Next, we'll sample the aircraft's low-speed protection mode.
Vancouver, good day. Squawk ID.
Okay, George, when you're done with that one, we'll try to get back in, we'll get back on course, and then I'll request for the slow flight regime.
That's good.
And we'll put the autopilot on, which will show you, we'll show you the slow speed protection system.
EZ2 generates a magenta minimum safe speed teardrop 5 knots over the amber low speed alert band. As we let the aircraft decelerate with the autopilot on, the auto throttles automatically engage to increase thrust and prevent the stall. Now we'll hand fly the aircraft at slow speed with the gear down, plus slats and flaps 20 degrees.
Okay, and I'm going to get you into the amber, and then we'll do some shallow turns, shallow S turns.
Autopilot.
Take a close look at my PFD. We're at 32,700 pounds. Full span slats move the teardrop down to 111 and the amber low speed Q to 106. 20-degree bank to the left, oral stall warning alert, but the aircraft is completely controllable, never loses its poise. Same thing to the right, 20 degrees of bank, nudging the teardrop, completely in control.
Really no big deal for Falcons with the slats and slotted flaps.
Yeah.
Pretty stable.
Okay.
You all set, sir?
I'm sir.
Auto throttles are coming back on.
Auto throttles. We're going to 200 knots.
200 knots for now. And let's head back to Yankee X-ray for some takeoff and landings. How's that sound?
We'll set up for the ILS Runway 7 at Abbotsford. Landing weight is 31,200 pounds. Using slats plus flaps 30, V approach is 118 and VREF over the threshold is 113. Unfactored landing distance is 2450.
Good afternoon, Abbotsford Tower, Falcon 702 Foxtrot Juliet's with you, ILS 07.
Falcon American November 702, Foxtrot Juliet, Abbott Tower, wind 030 at less than 5, altimeter 2974. Mike Oscar, turn on to base,
1 dot.
please.
And here comes the gears.
Here. Mike Oscar.
Okay, inside of 4. Here comes SF3, sir. She'll slow to V approach.
And Tower 704, Foxtrot Juliet, confirmed that we're cleared for the touch and go right-hand traffic pattern.
1,000.
2 Foxtrot Juliet, right-hand circuits, clear touch and go, runway 07.
Right-hand circuits, 07, touch and goes approved, 702 Foxtrot Juliet.
Clear to land. 3 greens, no reds. SF3 is set. Before landing checklist is complete, George.
07.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Minimums, that's a good thing.
200.
Will they give us a flare command or
50.
not?
No, it's going to be
40.
all up to you.
Auto throttle. 30.
throttles, very nice.
20.
Oscar, contact ground 1218.
10.
And we do get
5.
credit for TRs on wet runways now. Very nice.
Okay, reset the flaps.
Coming to 2, and power set when you're able.
Power set, here we go.
No takeoff.
That's okay, disregard.
Roger
No
that.
takeoff.
And I'm going to set your trims.
No takeoff.
And there you go, George, you're cleared. Very
Positive
nice.
rate, gear.
Gears coming up.
Here's our second touch and go.
Approaching 07.
Well, thank you.
Actually, it's right about 3 degrees, George. You're right on the money. You called it.
Okay.
Very nice.
We'll try to make
Put
it
that
here.
flight path right on the end of that synthetic runway. Guess where you're going to end up?
300.
Let's see if we can figure that one out.
Yeah.
All right.
$200.
I'll get your trims and SF2 on the fly.
Okay, good.
George, are you using
50.
the HGS for most of
40.
this?
Auto
Oh,
swap.
yeah.
30.
Okay, good.
20.
Haven't looked down yet.
10.
Nice.
5.
Very nice. SF2's coming. Trims are coming into the green, and full power when you have it.
Power.
No takeoff.
That's okay. It's just adjusting.
No takeoff.
Yeah.
There it is. There goes the power. VRAM plus and rotate. Very nice, George. Very nice, sir. Positive rate. Okay. Gears coming down.
Yeah. Flaps to full. Bugging us back to, what is it, 118?
113.
113 for full stop?
Yeah, 118 for V approach.
Okay.
Okay, you got 3 greens, no reds.
All right, I'm bugging us down.
And standing by SF3.
SF3, please.
SF3 is set. And we are cleared full stop, sir.
So let's make it a maximum performance full stop landing on the wet runway.
Getting low.
Auto throttle.
Yes, the auto throttles are disengaged.
Break 80, clear to land, runway 01.
50. 40.
Cleared land.
30. 20. 10. 5.
Okay, max braking. Very nice.
There, an 1,810-foot rollout. Pulling into the chocks back at Vancouver, here's what impressed me about Falcon 2000S. It has a large cabin compared to other super midsize aircraft. It's tops in runway performance because of its full-span slats. It's a joy to hand fly, and I love the HUD, but I'll need a lot more practice with the easy cockpit before I've mastered it. Overall, it's more expensive than other SMS jets, but it's also a lot of airplane for the money.